Hey guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with another opportunity for you guys, which is UPSC Recruitment 2020 as assistant engineer or scientist. Any degree graduates can apply. So before moving on to the details regarding UPSC recruitment, let me tell you about our channel. We provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical, and all other type of job opportunities, as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. So moving further about UPSC recruitment. So UPSC, that is Union Public Service Commission, invites online job application from the eligible candidates for the post of Chief Design Engineer, Deputy Superintendent, Archaeologist Chemist, Assistant Engineer, Deputy Director, Assistant Veterinary Officer, Assistant Employment Officer, to total for 85 vacancies in various fields. Candidates with qualification of BE, BTech or bachelor degree, master degree are eligible to apply for this job. And Assistant Library and Information Officer, General, Scientist B, Scientist C, Research Officer, Assistant Secretary Law. There are 9 vacancies, and candidates with the qualification of BE, BTech or bachelor's degree, master's degree or law are eligible to apply for this job. Selection process will be based on recruitment test and interview. Interested candidates can apply at the website before 30 July. So UPSC recruitment 2020 details. So job roles are assistant engineer and others, and assistant library and scientist. In total there are 85 and 9 vacancies. Last date to apply for both the opportunities are 30 July 2020. So UPSC recruitment 2020 for assistant engineer and others. These are the job roles. Job category is government job. Qualification is BE, BTech or bachelor's degree or master degree. Total vacancies are 85. Experienced or fresher. Salary would be level 6, 7 to 13 in the pay matrix as per 7th CPC. Job location is across India and last date is 30 July 2020. Then we have eligibility criteria. So for chief design engineer, that is degree in mechanical engineering for a recognized university. Experience, 12 year of experience in research work, 12 year of experience in research work or practical experience. For deputy superintending archaeologist chemist, bachelor's degree in chemistry, plus 3 year experience or master degree in chemistry and plus 1 year of experience. For assistant engineer, master degree in science or physics or electronics and 2 years of practical experience. For assistant engineer, master's degree in physics and 2 years of practical engineer. Then we have assistant veterinary officer, degree in bachelor of veterinary science and animal husbandry from a recognized university and 3 years of experience. For assistant director, master's degree in Hindi or English and 3 years of experience. Assistant Employment Officer, master degree in social welfare or labor welfare and 5 years of experience. For assistant engineer civil, degree in civil engineering and 2 years of professional experience. For deputy director, postgraduate in statistics and 5 years of experience. Now comes the upper age limit. So chief design engineer 50 years, deputy superintending archaeologist chemist 35 years and so on. For other information, all the age and posts are provided. So then there is selection process. Selection is made only on recruitment test and then they'll have an interview as well. Minimum qualifying marks out of 100 are for UREWS category is 50, for OBC 45, SC ST PH 40. Application fee is 20 rupees and no fee for women candidates or SC ST or PH. Mode of payment may be offline and online both. So how to apply for UPSC recruitment 2020? So we have provided a link here. You have to click on this link and you will move to another website. But all other information has also been provided in the website regarding UPSC recruitment for assistant library scientist. So you can also see here. And if you are interested in this profile, so you have to click here. That means we have provided 2 links for different jobs. Now let's say if I'm interested in the first one, so I'll click here and I'll move to another web page. So all the information is provided here regarding all the jobs. You have to click on apply now and you'll move to another web page. So here are some important instructions. Let's click on next. Again, we have to click on next. Select this option and click on proceed. So they're asking you to log in here. So if you already have an account on this website, so you can enter your registration ID and password and click on login. Or if you're new here, then click on new registration and provide all the details, register for the website. Once you register for the website, you will direct it to the web page where you can apply for the recruitment process. Provide all the information, and once you apply, you will get information via emails or phone. So moving on to Fresher Camp website, so we have provided all the details regarding all the job profiles. So you can refer to the website if you have any kind of queries. Link for UPSC Recruitment 2020 has been provided in the description. So thank you and apply before 2020, and do not forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates.